Hi, this is Ray with Southeast Drone Works. Today we are doing a unboxing of the newest addition to our fleet, a Sherpa model by Lucid Bots. We just received this item via UPS a little earlier today, so you get to watch us take it out of the box and see what's included with this Sherpa package from Lucid Bots. First thing I noticed is the case is really well built and solid. It's not overly heavy, I would guess. Case, drone, all packed up without the batteries in there is probably in that 40 to 50 pound range. However, it is a bit unwieldy. It might be a little tough for one person to carry and certainly pick it up, but it's just a large size, so it might be tough for just one person to get. Case seems to be real sturdy. It's got good positive locking latches on there. A lot of good insulation and padding, which I want on this since it will get stuck in a truck or a van and kicked around and bounced around. So protection is really important to have. Inside the case there is an owner's manual, a tool bag, looks like a case for some batteries on there. We have the extension wand, and then here's the drone itself. So we're going to throw this up on the table and take a look at it. Now, one of the things I noticed about this Lucid Sherpa is she seems really sturdy. Wasn't exactly sure what to get. This is my first experience with a Lucid. Wasn't quite sure, how it was going to feel, but this guy is pretty solid. Lots of good reinforcing bolts, as you can see from that top plate. To get it extended, very simple. We just pop these struts out and they automatically lock into place. Very smooth to do. I like the automatic locks on there. Very solid, not a lot of wiggle. You can see this thing just isn't really moving around a lot. I would guess the weight of this drone is probably in that 30-pound range. I have the actual specifics here in the treeware they gave me. The props all have these little foam holders that I'm taking off right now and extending the props out. And this is what she looks like. Now we're going to look at some of the other goodies in the box. This is actually the controller for the drone. Nice little case there. Comes with a charger for it, a USB-C charger, and there is the actual controller for this. This controller will obviously allow you to fly it, but then it will turn on your downstream injector for your window cleaning payload as well. It probably should be noted too that I bought the base model of this, so what you're seeing is what comes with the base model, with the exception of I bought one extra set of batteries. So I've got 4 batteries instead of just 2 batteries. That was the only extra add-on that I purchased with this package. This also came with a rapid charger that allows me to charge 2 batteries at one time. You'll see that in the next video frame. But while I've got your attention and you're watching me doing this unboxing, let me tell you a little bit about Southeast Drone Works. We're here to make this drone available to your cleaning company. These drones are very expensive. You need to have an FAA Part 107 license. You need special insurance on there. I believe the drone cleaning is a fantastic opportunity, but quite frankly, most people don't want to go to the expense of incorporating a drone into their daily cleaning company. So Southeast Drone Works can fill that void. Whenever your cleaning company finds a project that needs drone access or that needs lift access or swing stage access, give us a call. We'll create a custom cleaning plan for you, and we can come out bringing our drone to you, so you don't have to go through the headache and expense of getting licensed and buying a drone, and you don't have to have the expense of renting a lift. Hey, thanks for watching. If I can answer any questions, reach out to our website. Thank you for watching today.